live. I'm not. Hi guys. Hi. Hey guys. What's up? Oh wow. Hi. Yes. So we have everyone. So thank you so much for your wishes. Thank you. So I want to show you something.
Why are you so sad?
Who's here? Who's here? Live. You have to say hi. Say hi. Gunzi, hi. How are you? Thank you for coming and surprising. She's so cute. Hi. Who's matching with the theme? The only.
I'm the only one.
Only one who's matching with the. Go stand in the name.
So. What are you legally?
No. So yeah, guys, moving on. Toodles, bye. Hi, Dad.
We need to
Hi.
have that conversation.
Hi, Mama.
Oh wow.
Look who's here. Oh my God, bro.
Wow, look at your hair.
Look at your hair. Show them your hair.
No.
The secret. People are gonna think you're Takla from behind you.
Yeah, because I am.
Oh wow, we have 18,000 people on board. Okay, amazing. But yeah, see, Gunzi. Look at Gunzi. What do you want to say, Gunzi, today? You're 18. And, and you have a license to kill.
Oh, nobody knew.
Legally murder.
What are you saying? Legally murder नहीं होता है. Legally murder नहीं होता है.
I'm saying how much. So what do you want to do? You want to just hammer someone?
So, moving on. This is so nice. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, Gunzi. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Keisha, for coming and surprising me. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna give my
I'm more
phone.
shocked than you were surprising us.
Yeah.
हाँ देखी थी ना?
Huh?
I'm gonna show the. I was
You were what?
shocked.
You weren't happy, no?
This audio. People are gonna hear you. They're gonna think I'm so bad. Y'all know I'm not bad,
Oh,
right?
no.
I'm not.
They all know.
I'm so happy.
Oh, no way you here.
What?
That's what you said, no, when I came.
What?
You said no way you here.
Yeah, I said no way you're here. Wow.
So that too, as a Raja, when I was getting cut, my neck was getting
Okay. Not fair. You can't do this on my birthday. You can't say.
Oh, you're
You can't lie on my birthday. You're lying.
Or else you'll be got.
Thank you for the surprises. Thank you. So I'm gonna give my phone to Dad because we're gonna hammer. Okay.
Someone said. Not.
Keisha not going.
Okay. Can we?
Yes.
Please after. Not like hammer somebody's head.
So we sing the birthday song while you hammer the cake. That's new.
Yeah, I think that's only.
Go.
You to matching the theme after anyways. It's like default. It's
My face is all over. Can I get my cap?
Whoa.
Your hair are looking very cool.
Very cool. Why are you hiding? You don't hide it. Yes.
Oh wow.
You.
Oh wow, I'm in the theme.
Come no.
Come no.
Okay, so हम ये निकाल नहीं सकते ना?
निकाल सकते हैं.
निकाल सकते हैं.
निकाल सकते हैं.
निकाल सकते हैं.
निकाल लिया.
निकाल लिया.
My head is not next. I'm going.
वो ऐसा लगेगा ना bro.
Isn't it heavy? Wait.
नहीं but मैं मारूंगी अगर ऐसा लगेगा. नहीं, I'm not planning to hit anyone.
What?
No, I'll take a boomerang. I'm only positioned to take one
Are you
boomerang.
ready?
I am ready.
Okay, we gotta sing happy birthday.
1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday.
Oh my God.
Hello, come on.
Birthday.
Day to you. Wait. What? That was a flop show. I thought the candle was something to come out.
Keep it. Wow.
Now you're gonna cut it, no?
Happy birthday.
Thank
Like,
you.
you have to hammer it. What?
Yeah, it didn't. I couldn't get a good one.
That's what you're having on the side, no? Now you have to cut the cake.
Oh my God. Cut the cake.
Now you cut the cake.
And then you're like, cut
18. So much for 18.
Okay. So
I know.
I did a good job. Okay, I thought it's gonna be.
अब legally murdering your cake, no?
Oh यार.
पता नहीं था कि इतना जोर से करना है.
Okay, come on, get us a
Cut
knife,
the
no?
cake with the hand.
No, knife.
Where's the knife? Can I get a knife? Quiche.
Oh wow.
ये वाला.
हाँ उसको कोई knife बोलते हैं.
हाँ but it's तो plastic वाला ना.
I think.
See here, no, come here, no.
ये दो. आप आइए ना.
So, come on.
Kisha phones.
नहीं यहाँ पे आना.
Gunzi, why are you coming?
अरे I'm just sitting.
Oh wow, mom no.
Please. Okay, are we ready? Yes.
Are you ready?
You show
What do you
it
see?
on the hammer.
Wait.
Do you want the hammer? एक हाथ में hammer भी रख
You
ले.
have to first break this with the hammer.
की मोमबत्ती.
Then you have to break these topics.
सही में कर देगी.
मैं साइड में करना है.
हाँ.
अपने सेलिब्रेट. Okay, let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nushki. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yummy. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is also that hammer से पहले तोड़ो. जो like take it all.
यार chocolate.
It's your birthday. Yummy. इतना तो खाना है ना. इतना तो आपको खाना पड़ेगा.
Hang on.
It's yummy. It's actually very yummy, huh? Yeah, it is. उसको खाने का मन नहीं
sweet.
करता.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
मेरे को एक बड़ा पीस चाहिए. कि मैं देखूं कैसे करूं.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nushki. Yeah, tissue. Oh, yum. This is so beautiful. इसको खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है.
Exactly. Exactly what I was saying.
Thank you.
Exactly what you want to do.
No.
Isha,
I was
bro.
saying. Actually, it's so good for you.
को मन नहीं कर
Because
रहा
you
है.
like.
Have the cupcake now.
I didn't know cake.
Oh, what you saying, man?
नहीं, Kisha will have the cupcake.
No.
I don't.
कितना कम है bro?
Bro, why, bro?
अरे
Bro, hang on, bro.
मेरा face. ऐसे मैं मुंह बड़ा हुआ.
Aja.
मेरा मुंह बड़ा हुआ. Don't even think.
his intention is not the.
He's the one telling me. He's winking at me. Look at her. It's actually very cute. It's actually very cute, you know.
Oh, you're looking cute. You can feel your nose? Can you feel your nose?
Moving from your hair. Very cute.
You can feel your nose.
Very cute.
Can you feel your nose?
I know, thanks. I'm just cute. I'm pulling it off, is it? No. Hi. Thank you so much for your wishes. Thank you so much. This is so far the best birthday. I say every year. It just got better. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you Kisha. Thank you Gunzi. Thank you Vicky. Thank you Mom. Thank you Dad.
Hang on.
Hang on.
मतलब मैं
होगा? अभी वो ठीक नहीं करता ना फिर?
नहीं
लगाने के बाद देखो कितना स्वीटली और आए भी
वो हैमर पकड़ के जैसे खड़ी है ना
मेरे को मिरर देख के करना है. Thank you.
Can I take the hammer?
Yeah.
I just want all of us to be safe.
It's so beautiful these pictures that she's clicked.
You click.
No, she's gonna click पहले. मैं पोस्ट देख रही थी मुश्किल में.
फोटो तो लगाएंगे उनके साथ ना फिर मैं
नहीं तो तुम ये बात है तो
मानती हूँ
best part was that when she was cutting the cake, was calling hammer se mari. What the best part.
I thought it actually had to be that candle, no, that comes out of it.
No, I thought it will break. वो ठीक से टूटा नहीं.
But once it breaks, there has to be a candle that comes. Like,
I love
there
this.
was
Even this is very nice.
okay, yeah. So is there again a live session? Still on? Is it still on?
The live is
Isha,
still
come
on.
here, no?
No, no. Live is not on, na? It is on. अच्छा वहाँ
अच्छा एक मिनट के हो जाए
अच्छा वहाँ ऐसे कि तो आते आते आया बोल रहे हो ऐसे नॉर्मल बोल रहा है छोटी थोड़ा और तेरी तुम्हारी लाइफ में लाइफ के साथ है
कैसे बोलना था बताना था
क्या
बोल दो रहा
क्या मैं नॉर्मल बोलती हूँ मैंने मेरे को पता नहीं मैं बैक अभी भी लाइफ चल रहा है ये मुझे तोतली की तरह बोल रहे हैं
What this is going on?
Yeah, the live is still.
Whoa.
You're in the frame.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
All right. What did I say? I can't see anybody's comment, but yeah.
Everyone just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you for your wishes. Thank you for your edits and all your lovely comments. I have to put so many edits on my story, in fact. I'm going to put them very soon. Hell yeah. Here's me repeating myself. Oh, you're watching the live. That's how I thought it's a
I thought
recording.
recording.
You also thought recording.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
God
yeah,
I'm
I thought
safe. वरना अभी जो बोलते हैं ना मेरे को सब लोग
हाँ
कि सब लोग मतलब समझ जाओ कौन. But anyways.
oh wow
Happy birthday. Thank you. Your outfit is amazing. Thanks. Yeah.
पूरा outfit दिखा.
Oh yeah. Wait. Let me. वो पूरा देख नहीं रहा है but yeah. Hi. I love you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your edits. Keisha is the biggest surprise. Hell yeah. Somebody said. Anushka Inspire said. Was waiting for this. Yeah, me too. Love you, babe. Thank you. Thank you so much for all your edits, and I love your DPs. Everyone has kept this 18 theme. I really like it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you, sweet girl. Thank you. So cool. Thank you so much. I love your hair. Thanks. Thank you. But yeah, I love your edits. I love your comments, and another year of Keisha laughing, and another year of me celebrating it nicely. Legit having so much fun. Yeah, you should. I mean, what to do? Like, this is me. Your hair is beautiful. Thanks. And also, thank you for so much love on Pyarnal. That's also happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna end this live right now, but thank you so much for all your wishes.